Hi everyone, welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 5th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to cable now for sterling dollar, and if you thought that sterling would get away with being not impacted by the sell-off that we saw yesterday on the euro, you were mistaken. 300 pips on the downside that we've seen in cable in the past 3 days, and it sort of almost had tried to continue that today again with further downside, but it's formed a little bit of support, a bit of consolidation now, but certainly the dollar remains sharply in control here. Cable 18.5. Now, when was the last time we saw that on cable on the RSI? The last time we saw that was 2012. Where we saw a dip towards 17. So June 2012, last time we've seen the RSI this oversold. And at that level, you do get the potential for a technical rally, because this, well, look at this Fibonacci retracement as well. Pretty much bang on hit today, 62.80 and 62.84, I think the low is, of that big bull run that we've seen over the past year. The Fibonacci retracement level has been hit at 38.2. Not only that, that coincides, zooming in quickly, a bit too much there, one was too much, of these February lows as well, 62.50. So there is support around this level for cable, so interesting that that level has held intraday, and we've seen a little bit of a rally coming through. You can imagine that, as I said with the euro, that at some stage there has to be a technical rally, that you just don't get moves like this without some sort of a retracement in due course at some stage. And it's going to happen soon, I think, because the sell-off has been so significant and so profound on cable. Again, as I said with that RSI on the daily chart, that there must be pretty much everyone's being bearish on cable now. So at some stage there's going to be a technical rebound. Now the initial resistance comes in around 63.60 on that move, and also then 64.40 seems to be a bit of a level as well that we can watch out for. But certainly there is scope for a significant rebound, having had such a significant sell-off, and there is room to unwind that move. Non-farm payrolls today could well be a trigger for, well, significant volatility, but also if it does disappoint, I mean, the ADP number yesterday disappointed, so could this mean that non-farm payrolls also could come in for a slight decrease on their last month's figure? It's possible, and that could trigger the correction on cable. So I think, in light of what happened yesterday in terms of the selling pressure across financial markets, I think that the likelihood is that today is going to be another very volatile figure, or very volatile reaction, and cable could again be at the forefront of that. So watching out for that number at 130 in the UK. But in front of the number, cable usually fairly flat, but yeah, 130 we can expect some significant volatility. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.